How's it going, YouTube? We are out in the garage. We are working on the Bronco again, and we are installing prop rods for the hood. These are from Amazon. Link will be in the description below, and this is a pretty easy installation, really. So I didn't grab the exact right tool for this, so I'm doing this all with a crescent wrench, a 1/2 millimeter socket, 3/8 ratchet, and that's it. That's all you need. So this came with this little rod that has a threaded nutsert on the end. Came with the, well, it came with the bracket. Came with both brackets. Came with 2 prop rods, and it's really pretty simple to do. The instructions it came with weren't the best, but that's why you're on YouTube. That's why you're watching my channel, so I can make this clear. So up front here, you have the 1/2 inch bolt, and it is on the hinge for the hood. It's probably like a 13 or 14. The 1/2 inch seems to fit. So we're just gonna pull this bolt all the way out. I tried to do this with my electric ratchet, and it was too big and got stuck, so don't do that. You gotta do this one the old-fashioned way. So we'll get this out of here. And this is where you're going to put the black prop rod. There's a left and a right. I did not see them to be labeled. So you need the ball to be facing into the engine. So you just pop this out. Hopefully. So there's a washer built into the bolt. So you're just going to do this, put it back in. Super simple. I'm gonna just hand tighten it until it's all the way done. And it does, the one thing I noticed, well, 2 things. One prop rod actually is holding the hood up, so that's nice. The other thing is it actually opens your hood probably 4 or 5 more inches, which is nice. So it's almost November. It'll be November next Tuesday. We're expecting to get snow already on Sunday. Not a ton, but it's the time of year it is. So to have the hood open more for when I'm doing videos like this will be super nice, because I'm gonna be stuck in my garage now until who knows when. So there we go. Bracket 1 installed, as you can see. Now we just install the next piece. Balance you out here. Now this is pretty easy too. So it came with 4 washers. I don't know where 2 of them go, so maybe they are just extras. And this is where we're using the crescent wrench. So you have this big rectangular opening here, and you have 2 holes, 2 oval shaped holes. So you're going to take this rod, and with the flat side down, you're just going to feed it up to get to the point where you can reach this ball and start threading it in. So super easy. You do want to kind of center this over the hole so that this washer is going to completely cover the hole. And then grab my crescent wrench that I just had. And before you pull that rod out, you're just going to hold this, and you want to tighten this until it's flush with the hood. Give it a little extra. And then pull that out. And then you are all set there. Next, we're going to take these prop rod, or take the struts, which mine are these fancy carbon fiber, which doesn't look too bad. Gonna put the bottom one on, just press, put it on, and then we have to do the fun part. We have to push it down, snap it on. So there we go. We have fancy prop rods on there so that we do not need that hood strut. But you can see, here's the prop rod. So, I don't know, what is that, like 8 inches? It's pretty, went up quite a bit. So now, that is so much better. So, there you go. I wonder even too, all the Bronco hoods shake kind of like crazy. I have adjusted the crap out of the bump stops, like the hood stops, whatever you call them, and it still shakes. So these might stabilize it a little bit. If not, no big deal. So there you go. Super easy. Link in the description down below. Pick yourself up a set if you haven't already and get those things on there. As always, thanks for watching.